uSimon. Sawubona weSimon.
Sawubona.
Ninjani futhi niyaphila?
Ngiyaphila wena ndoda onjani?
Hayi no sikhona nathi mfowethu. Yeah. Mhlambe mangachaza nje kafushane uSimon Hlapho kanye noCrosby Jodwana ngobani nikhulele kuphi?
Ngikhulele eValley and then umyeni which is Crosby Jodwana ukhulele eSprings kwaThema. Yeah. So
right.
Sahlangana 12 years ago. So abantu abaningi they know ukuthi sihlangane 10 years ago. So ukuhlangana kwethu sahlangana back in the Val fortunate enough and masihlangana I don't think one party which is from Eastside Lam was more interested mara ngayibona lento ukuthi nanga umuntu ngibuza ngicathulo zami ngithi how lo muntu waba interested kwicathulo zami
kwenzakalani thina uyayithanda
athi uyayithanda ngithi hayi ndoda mamela ngizokutshela ukuthi ngisithengephi but ungahamba uyosithengela zona athi hayi no sharp yaphela lapho into yethu.
Okay.
Waphela tu a few months later I would say ukuthi indaba engicathulo iqale ngabo September. Few months later I'm talking February the following year.
Okay.
Right. And now umuntu in my DMs.
Anixhumananga ngeincingo ngaleso sikhathi?
Hayi not at all.
Okay.
Uthi uyabukhumbula lobuso. Ngithi nope angikhumbuli ubuso bakho. Athi ake ubheke kahle. Ngithi hayi ngiscroll kuma picture wakhe ngithi uwe wincathulo. Athi yayimi ngisasifuna lencathulo ngithi hayi I'm sure they are out of season by now. Khona okunye ufuna ukukubuza athi ngingajabulela kuba nama number wakho.
Yeah.
Ngithi ake sikhulume la kuma DM sichubeke sibone ukuthi izophela laphi ngani.
Yeah.
Yabona. Then at some point yakijima into yethu to iWhatsApp. Lokusana nabo BBM nalesikhathi. So
okay.
sakhuluma ku WhatsApp and BBM and all those type of platforms. And I would say long story short, here we are today 10 years later. Standana kakhulu.
So isinqumo sokushada nisithathe kanjani? Nisithathe nifinyelele kanjani kusona?
Uyazi ngizokutshela into eyiwani. It's been something esiloko sikhuluma ngayo because in the 10 years sithandana. Sihlale sonke for like a good 7 years.
Yeah.
Right. And ilento besihlala sikhuluma ngayo sithi masingashada kungayenzakalani mawucabanga umshado wethu mele ube njani, you understand? So sivele like just put our visions out there to say we would like for our wedding to be in this particular way. Things started getting very serious last year. Where city yazini next year and nabangani bethu bangakutshela bathi nina every year nithi niyashada kanti unini lo mshado wenu sithi hayi sinikezeni imali ke umshado lo ufunayo ngawuthola. Yabona sithi sihlanganisa imali sithi for this kind of wedding esifunayo asihlanganise this much.
Okay.
Sibona ukuthi iyosibekaphi. I can still say even today ngithi I give umyeni I take my hat off for him because I always tell people ukuthi ngishade ne creative.
You my dad. All right.
Ngishade ne creative lapho, so that guy if akunikeza into the vision of how he wants something to come out. I mean I would say I always see it later, but yeah, I'd go back to him to say this was beautiful.
Okay. Sina nje manje la emoyeni naye uCrosby Jodwana. Sawubona barazi kunjani? Crosby isawona?
Sawubona uyangiba?
Yeah mana ke phethi kulunge nje khona manje. Kunjani uyaphila?
Siyaphila ninjani nina?
Hayi siyaphila nathi.
Siyabonga.
Yeah, cha usachazelela uNhlapho ukuthi nihlangane kanjani njalo kuze kube manje. Then na umshado wenu wasusa omkhulu umsindo abantu kuyimbono ihlokahlukene ngendlela ebenikade nivunule ngayo njengoba wena bewuvunule isiXhosa ngapha uNhlapho evunuleke isiZulu mhlambe ke ngifuna ukubuza la ukuthi lo msindo ufike kanjani kunina kutheni kini manibona umsindo ungaka
well siyabonga lethuba lokubizwa ukhozi 14 besingacabanga ukuthi kuzaba nomsindo ongaka besisitshele nje ukuthi hayi abantu bazobona umshado omuhle and into abantu abangayazi ukuthi I think before umshado wethu we invited about 14-16 weddings last year and besiloko sifaka different cultures from Sisuthu, Nigerian, Xhosa sikufakile okuningi so azange sibone kuba inkinga ukuthi now sibuyele emasikweni wethu sifake izinto esisichenya ngazo thina so ukuthi masekuvela lo msindo okay well it's in a family imindeni yethu is very supportive basixhasa kakhulu kodwa obekubhlungu indlela abantu bebakhuluma ngayo ngobulili bethu nange relationship esikuyo more than into beyenzeka ngalo yamshado kodwa sijabulele ukuthi iphe yabakhona futhi conversation around izwe lethu ukuthi sikhulume ukuthi siyoze siyamukelwe nini njengabantu abalolu hlobo ngoba abantu abangayazi ukuthi we deal with so many challenges on a daily basis and ngilanga leli besitshela ukuthi kuzoba nama celebration kuzoba ilanga elihle ngoba yinkulumo eziningi kodwa thina if khona besikwenzile ngendlela besigcoke ngayo I think bekuzoba kuhle ukuthi mhlambe sibizele eceleni mhlambe abantu abakhulu kunathi basibonise indlela ukuthi no lana nenzanga kahle kodwa the way ibe ngakhona isuke nje yasithatha ngenye surprise kodwa siyabonga i-community at large LGBTQI+ supportile kakhulu our families and people that live around us as well
so nifinyelele kanjani esinqumeni sokuthi umshado wenu kube owesintu
mainly it was njoba besikashilo bekuyi idea yami I think about 3 years ago I had a 30th birthday party so bekuyiformal lapho so ithombe zakhona abantu bebacamba ukuthi siyashada ngalelo lapho so safile ukuthi manje masisezishada abantu yabona bazomangala ukuthi kanti kushadwa kayingaki sathi no man masezinto ehlukile sizichenye nje ngoba thina bethu and yeah sibhiyoze nje ngendlela yokuthi si celebrate isintu sethu ubuhle baso and sizibonakalisa ukuthi we do exist nathi ku community
yeah all right ngifuna ukubuya ngize la kuNhlapho ukuthi nithandana niubulili obufanayo naze nanithatha inqumo sokuthi nishade lokho mhlambe kuyakuphuca yini mhlambe imvelaphi yakho nesiko lakho njengomuntu uma ngabe ubheka njengoba abaningi bebehlaba indaba ethinta imvunulo
I not that much I don't think it's that much because into very important at this stage ukuthi umuntu ayazi imvelaphi yakhe as umZulu
yeah
right and ngiyayijabulela and ngiyayazi because isibongo sami siuNhlapho
yeah
ngusigegede mina yeah
all right yeah Jodwana
yebo baba
ngifuna ukubuya la mfowethu ekuthenini mhlambe njengoba wena bewuvunule ngesiXhosa kukhona mhlambe ngakwaXhosa abake baphawula ngendaba yemvunulo yakho njengoba bekade ushada nje
so far nje ama opinions engiwatholile ukuthi bekukuhle emaXhoseni kakhulukazi asikathola ukugxekwa okuningi angifuni ukukhuluma amanga and also akhona namanye amaZulu nawo asinikile ama compliments I think nje into kusuke kwaba yilo phawu lomuntu othile that maybe shifted mentality yabanye abantu kodwa so far cha azange kube khona ba
okay Nhlapho mhlambe inkulumeni ezike zakhona bezinigxeka kukhona mhlambe ongathi ukutholile mhlambe kube isifundo kuzona noma mhlambe ungathi uyithathe njengeinkulumo nje beyimelene nani kuphela
ngizokutshela into eyi1 lokho beyenzakala since umsindo oqala ngivele ngizothini not even ukusuka ku social media but ngivele ngaphuma ngavela ngathi lo msindo oyenzakalayo it doesn't deserve my attention yeah so ngavela ngathi angeke nakuma comments nani ngathi yazini ngiyogcina senguyi isinye isimo if ngaloko ngifundana nama comment la kuma comment section
all right
Yeah.
Yeah, mhlambe into engafuna abantu bayazi ngani iyipi sesiphetha nje.
Mina ngokuvala ngathanda nje ukuthi kulabo abasupportile siyabonga. Kulabo abasalekha ulwazi ukuthi abantu abanjengathi baya exista and ukuthi ufakeni akudefine ukuthi ubani. Baningi abantu abanye bafaka amakholor, abanye amaphoyisa, amasoja. Kuningi we exist and the sooner abantu start appreciating.
So ngamanye amazwi khona yonke indawo brazo yami.
Yonke indawo ukuthi umuntu nomuntu kumele aziveze nathi bekungasinhlo sethu ukuthi siphumele obala ngaleyo ndlela le abasazi basazi kodwa ngithanda ukuthi nje abantwini sikhona singabantu futhi nathi singamalungelo alingana nawo wabo abantu abaphilayo.
Yes, yeah kuyazwakala mfethu. Mhlapho
Yes but
ngifuna nje ukuphetha ngokuthi mfethu mhlambe ongafisa ukusho kulabo bebekhuluma mhlambe amagama eziswana beyobhekise kunina nomshado wenu ungathini?
Yo to those people into engayisho ukuthi siyathandana and siyochubeka sithandane and like umyeni ashilo uthi siyabonga kuwonke umuntu osupportile siyabonga kuwonke umuntu ovele wakhipha like izwi lakhe ukuthi siyabathanda labantu siyabona ukuthi ivision yabo bekuyini and they must not stop even loving each other. So yeah, that's all I can say, but yeah, thank you very much to everybody.
Zikhona inyathelo enizoyithatha mhlambe ngabe benihlaba niqine niphetha ngolithini lapha?
So kukhona izinto esinhlelweni although bathi singakhulumi ngazo kwamanje kodwa definitely zikhona izinto in the pipelines ezikhulunywayo nama professionals wakulawo ma sector lapho.
Okay. No, kuyezwakala bafethu. Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi senu. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu ukuthi nje nikwazi ukuvuma ukuthi nikhulume nathi ntambama ukuzwa nje ukuthi mhlawumbe isimo kunina sinjani njengoba bese sizwile umphakathi ukhuluma ngendaba ke ethinta udwendwe leni.
No, siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga.